Okay, similarity. 1.3 we are starting today. I think you must have watched my video similarity 1. Okay. See, I am just briefly revising before starting exercise. If two triangles are similar, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, it means angle A congruent to angle P, angle B congruent to angle Q, angle C congruent to angle R. Okay. And a ratio first 2 upon first 2, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR equal to AC upon PR. So sides are in proportion and angles are congruent. Okay. With different tests you can prove this. Suppose first is AAA test. If all the three angles of triangle are congruent, this angle congruent to sides proportion automatically, then triangle similar by AAA test. But if two angles of triangle are congruent, then third angle must be congruent. Angle sum property. Okay, so AA test is enough. Even if you prove two angles of triangle are congruent, corresponding angles of two triangles, then two triangles are similar by AA test, and you can take ratio. Okay, SAS, side angle side. Two sides are in proportion. If two sides are in proportion, the included angle and not any other angle, it is not SSA. Side angle side. AB upon PQ equal to AC upon PR, and the included angle, only angle A, must be congruent to angle P. And two triangles are similar by SAS test. And the last is SSS test. If all sides are in proportion, AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR equal to AC upon PR, sides are in proportion, you can directly write the proof completes. Triangles are similar by SSS test. Okay, we'll go ahead with the exercise 1.3. Okay, the first one is very simple. Triangle ABC similar to triangle EDC by AA test. How? See, the figure is given, triangle ABC and EDC. You are asked which two triangles are similar. So ABC and EDC, angle ABC equal congruent to angle EDC, both 75 degree given, that is. And angle C congruent to angle C is a common angle to both the triangle. See, triangle ABC and EDC. Okay, this angle equal and angle C is common angle, so must be equal. So triangle ABC similar to triangle EDC by AA test. One mark question it is. Okay. Any doubt, you are free to ask, write in the comment box. Next lecture, next video, I will explain you. Second sum also simple. Figure is given, triangle PQR, triangle LMN. Dimensions are even given. Okay, now you have to state whether triangles are similar or by which test. So I will take PQ upon LM, that is 6 upon 3, 2. QR upon MN, 8 upon 4, that is 2. PR upon LN, 10 upon 5, that is 2. All three ratios are equal, so sides are in proportion. PQ upon LM equal to QR upon MN equal to PR upon LN. Nothing given about angle, but sides are in proportion. So triangle PQR similar to triangle LMN by SSS test. Easy? Sure, we'll go ahead with next. Okay. Sum number 4. In triangle ABC, figure is given. AP perpendicular to BC, BQ perpendicular to AC. This is given. And to prove triangle CPA similar to triangle CQB. CPA, CQB. Okay, if you look at properly triangle, C is a common angle. And some dimensions are given, you have to find. AP is 7, BQ is 8, BC is 12, you have to find SC. So first we will prove triangle CPA similar to triangle CQB. So always write in triangle CPA and triangle CQB. First, angle C congruent to angle C is a common angle. And now second, angle CPA congruent to angle CQB, because each 90 degree and that is given. Two angles you proved congruent. Good. triangle CPA similar to triangle CQB by AA test. Understanding? If triangles are similar, just take ratio CP upon CQ, PA upon QB, AC upon DC. Ratio already taken. Now CP and CQ you don't want, let it be. So PA upon QB, PA is 7, QB is 8, 7 upon 8 is equal to AC is asked and DC is 12. So AC is equal to 12 into 7, 84 upon 8. Divide, cut, you will get the answer as 10.5. So simple, you try to solve. Okay, you see the video again and again, do 2, 3, but while solving, don't see. You solve yourself. That is important. Okay? Any doubt, write in the comment box. We'll go ahead with next sum. Okay. Sum number 5. Given figure given trapezium PQRS. Trapezium, you know, one side parallel, one pair. PQ parallel to SR is given. One more given AR equal to 5 AP. This AR is 5 times AP. And AS equal to 5 AQ. AS equal to 5 AQ. To prove SR is 5 times PQ. So for that, you need to prove similarity between these two triangles. Now two tests are possible. As parallel alternate angles, you vertically opposite angles, and even side ratio is given. AR upon AP is 5, AS upon AQ is 5. You can use SAS also. I am using AA test. Okay. You try with SAS test. Different ways you should know. So in triangle APQ and triangle ARS, I am taking angle APQ congruent to angle ARS. APQ ARS alternate angles, because this is parallel and this is transversal. Actually in 9th you have studied it is converse of alternate angle test, but simply I am writing alternate angles. You can write converse of alternate angle test better. Don't lose marks. It depends. Angle PAQ congruent to angle RAS. PAQ RAS. Can you guess? These are vertically opposite angles, so must be congruent. Vertically opposite angles. Okay. So two angles are proved easily. Triangle APQ similar to triangle ARS by AA test. Getting AA test. Angle. Now just take ratio AP upon AR equal to PQ upon RS equal to AQ upon AS. Okay. Now AP upon AR is 5 AP. This is given only. So AP upon 5 AP cut. 1 upon 5 equal to PQ upon RS. Just cross multiply. RS equal to 5 PQ. Hence proved. See carefully. Watch the video again and again. You should understand it. Try to solve yourself. Just by watching not enough. You solve, you practice. Then these sums will be easy. These are proofs. No calculation, sometimes calculation, but very less. Proofs, presentation is important. The reasoning is important, and then you will get full marks. Okay? I'll go ahead with the next sum. Okay. The sum number 6. It's same as sum number 5. Trapezium ABCD, AB parallel to DC. ACBD intersect at O. Okay. AB is 20, DC is 6, OB is 15. You have to find OD. So same way, I am giving you hint. You have to do it for homework. You have to prove these two triangles similar. Triangle OAB similar to triangle OCD. Just the same way we proved in sum number 5. See vertically opposite angle, one alternate angle, or you can take both alternate angles. You can prove A test angle similar. Take ratio, put values, cross multiply, you will get the answer. Getting? Try. If you don't get, let me know. Reply, write comment. I will solve for you. Very simple, but I want you to solve. You have to score very high. Unless you practice, you won't get. Okay? You have to jump into water to learn swimming. 7 sum. Okay. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is parallelogram. E is on BC. Here E is a point. DE and AB intersect at T. AB and DE intersect at T. Okay. And you have to prove DE into BE. DE into BE equal to CE into TE. Okay, so these two triangles you have to prove similar. Then only you can take ratio. Okay. So first we'll take triangle DEC and TEB. One the vertical opposite clearly seen. Angle DEC congruent to angle TEB, vertically opposite. And one, if this is parallel, alternate angle you have. Angle DCE and angle TBE. This angle congruent to this angle alternate. You can write converse of alternate angle, that's it's okay. Two angles if proved congruent, triangles are similar by AI test. Triangle DEC similar to triangle TEB AI test. Just take ratio DE upon TE equal to EC upon EB. Third ratio you don't want only. Because all every segment containing E. So third will be DC upon TB. Without E you don't need that. Now just cross multiply DE into EB equal to TE into EC. And this is what is needed. So simple proof. See properly, try yourself. Very easy proof. Don't lose marks by ignoring. Your presentation with reasoning proof is correct, you will get full marks. Okay? Understood? Easy? Any doubt? Ask. Don't hesitate. Next sum. Sum number 8. Okay? See, look at the figure. AC and BD intersect at P. This is AC and BD intersecting at P. Okay? And given AP upon CP equal to BP upon TP. AP upon CP, BP upon TP, very simple sum. To prove triangle ABP similar to triangle CDP. These two triangles are similar, very simple. In triangle ABP and triangle CDP, that these two you have to write. Angle APB congruent to angle CPD. What is the reason? Tell me. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are congruent. AP upon CP, BP upon DP. This is already given. Sides are in proportion. Included angle congruent. Side angle side. S test. Triangle proved similar. Very simple this was. Next time I am explaining you. Actually, in triangle ABC, D is a point on BC. Angle BAC equal to angle ADC. You have to prove CA square is CB into CD. Actually, this sum I have solved in my video. Important sums on similarity. You check that video, there this sum is solved. That was important last time for prelims. Okay? As I started it late. So it was in urgency, I put that sum. You try to such thing, you have to prove similar. Two triangles, which two triangles? From sides you decide. And then cross multiply, you should get the answer. It is CA, so CA of one up, one down. On cross multiplying two triangles, you have to prove similar. I am giving you hit this angle, common this angle, and angle C is a common angle. Now you try. Not, if not, sum is solved in the already published video. Important sums on similarity. Check. 9 playlist only. The 10th standard 10 playlist. Okay. See. So, any doubt you can ask me. In the next video we will go ahead. Okay. If you like, give like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon. You get new notification. Getting immediately you will come to know about the videos. Okay, I'm there to help you. Okay, and also phone number is provided. Getting if you want personal coaching, you can contact me online for maths and science standard 10. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye.